two n² electrons occupy a filled shell with principal quantum number n. Think of shells like layers of seats around the nucleus where electrons sit, and the rule 2n² tells you how many seats are filled on each layer. If n is 1, plug 1 into the rule, and you get 2 times 1², which equals 2 seats for the first shell. If n is 2, 2² is 4, times 2 gives 8 seats for the second shell. The formula comes from counting all the different ways electrons can have energy levels and directions inside that shell, and it always increases as n gets bigger, because each shell has more possible spots. You do not need to memorize complicated derivations to use the rule. Just remember to square the principal quantum number and multiply by 2. A common mistake is applying 2n² to only valence electrons, instead of the whole shell. And the fix is to remember it counts every electron in that shell, not just the outer ones. Another error is forgetting to square n before multiplying. So a quick check is to calculate n times n first and then multiply by 2. Students sometimes mix up shells with subshells. If that happens, recall that subshells split the shell into parts, but the 2n² rule counts the total electrons for the entire shell. For more videos and resources on shells and electrons, please visit www.gumballdegree.com.